Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Monday, November 6th, 2023. It is 4:28 and 29 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, photon batteries. So let's hop to it here. As photon battery achieves competitive voltage, date November 3rd, 2023. Source, University of Freiburg. Researchers have developed a monolithically integrated photon battery using organic materials. The photon battery achieves an unprecedented high discharge potential of 3.6 volts. The system is capable of powering miniature devices. Network intelligent devices and sensors can improve the energy efficiency of consumer products and buildings by monitoring their consumption in real time. Miniature devices like these being developed under the concept of the Internet of Things require energy sources that are compact as possible in order to function autonomously. Monolithically integrated batteries that simultaneously generate, convert, and store energy in a single system could be used for this purpose. The researchers developed a scalable method for the photon battery, which allows them to manufacture organic solar cells out of 5 active layers. The system achieves relatively high voltages of 4.2 volts with the solar cell. The team combined this multi-junction solar cell with a so-called dual-ion battery, which is capable of being charged at high currents, unlike the cathodes of conventional lithium batteries. With careful control of illumination intensity and discharge rates, a photon battery constructed in this way is capable of rapid charging in less than 15 minutes and discharge capabilities of up to 22 milliampere hours per gram. In combination with the average discharge potential of 3.6 volts, the devices can provide an energy density of 69 kilowatt hours per gram and a power density of 95 milliwatts per gram. The scientific investigators and researchers say the system thus lays the foundation for more in-depth research and further developments in the area of organic photon batteries. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.